Attract astonishing abundance. Get the law of attraction to work for you. Have you been having difficulty with the law of attraction? These 7 keys change everything. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Reminding you to subscribe to our channel because we're here 5 days a week to empower your life with secrets about the law of attraction, the mind sciences, and the ancient mysteries as they apply to your life to empower your life, to live the life that you desire. And click that bell icon. Hey, by the way, we seriously believe our credo is that you deserve the money you desire, the love that you crave, and the health that you absolutely need and depend on. And so when you're manifesting, I get a lot of letters like this. I've been manifesting, Robert. I've been applying what I've seen on YouTube. I'm watching all the YouTube gurus and I'm applying it and it's not working for me. I want you to sit down, pull your car over to the side of the road, get out an old-fashioned pen and paper and take some notes because these 7 keys, they're a game changer. They will change everything. You will begin to attract like you have never attracted before. But these keys must be applied and must be memorized and ingrained into your energy field. They must become part of who you are, part of how you live. So the number 1 key is manifestation focus. Manifestors, whether they're in business or art or sports, they are focused on manifesting. You see, when your focus is very, very narrow, in other words, you meet these people that are jack of all trades. They can do everything, but they're not really super successful at any one thing. What I'm talking to you about is taking what you truly desire, taking your intention and focusing on it, making it your center of focus. Now, I know some of you are thinking, well, Robert, if I really focus hard on my desire, isn't that choking the energy? And the answer is yes, it is. So let me unconfuse you or confuse you more. We want to have total focus on our intention, on our destination, on the outcome that we would like to see in our life. But at the same time, once we have set that focus into action, we've got to let it go and let it happen and let the energy flow. So the first key is manifestation focus. Absolute razor sharp focus on the outcome that you desire in your life. You have to have a very clear picture of what it looks like. Number 2 is magnetism. Magnetism is so absolutely important. I think I've said this before in a video, but I was at a convention once and a particular entertainer walked in, and when he walked in, the room seemed to illuminate. He had so much magnetism. And later on, I began to understand that he's putting out that magnetism. In other words, he's sharing himself with others. He's giving himself to others, and others give back to him. That's really what magnetism is about. You put out the kind of energy, the kind of vibrational frequency that you would like to have returned to you. Does that make sense? Magnetism. Put it out, receive it back. Number 3 is desire and passion. This is huge because I think it was Tony Robbins, could have been someone else, that said there's really no such thing as lazy people. There's just people with weak goals. I would go further and say They lack desire. They lack the passion. They lack the fire for the outcome. In other words, they would like to see the outcome. It would be nice if it happened. I want it to happen. But I'm not willing to put skin in the game. I'm not willing to put myself into it. I'm not willing to invest my time. I'm not willing to invest my money. I'm not willing to invest my energy. I don't have that kind of desire. And that's why people don't manifest. You've got to get yourself fired up. That's why I highly recommend the power pose every morning. Arms out in a fist, legs apart, forming a big X, and standing in that position for 2 minutes while you are reciting your morning affirmations. Because that just increases the energy, the flow of juice pumping through your body. Desire and passion are essential to manifesting your deepest desires. Well, number 4 is flow, and we kind of alluded to that with number 1, flow of energy. And so flow of energy is about applying intense focus and pressure to your intention and then letting it happen. In other words, I plant a seed in the ground. Now I'm going to water it. I'm going to put fertilizer on the ground. I'm going to make sure all the weeds, I'm putting intense focus. And then at some point, I've got to let the garden just grow. I got to let the seed just germinate and grow and come up through the soil and reach toward the sun. I've got to let flow take place. And so it's really not about backing off of your goals. It's really not about stepping back from them or losing your passion and desire. Look, when I plant a tomato seed in the ground, oh, I love to garden, by the way. When I plant a tomato seed in the ground, high flyers, and I make sure that the ground has all been churned up first, nice, and I put some potting soil in there, maybe a little fertilizer, water it, and then I go in the house and I do something else. Or I go for a drive, or I take off for the weekend for a little mini vacation. It's not that my desire for that tomato plant to grow has lessened. I'm just giving myself a break, and I'm giving that tomato plant a break so it can have the energy it needs, the space it needs to just grow and flow. Grow and flow. Oh, yeah. Hey, number 5 is harmony. And doesn't it feel good? Just for a moment, doesn't it feel good when you're in harmony with the people around you? When everybody is just, they're just working together. They're just flowing together. They're finishing each other's sentences. And that's the way you can be with your life and with the universe and with your dreams, intentions, and goals. Be in a state of alignment and harmony. High flyers, if you're in a position of antagonism towards your goals, antagonism towards the people around you, antagonism towards the universe. Why isn't the universe doing this for me? I prayed to God and nothing has happened yet. Do you see what I'm saying? That's not alignment. You want to be in harmony and alignment, in a state of inner peace, inner tranquility, knowing that good things are flowing into your life right now. Number 6, I think this is a really important one, and that is legacy. This is a big key because I will do things for my little son Julian that I won't do for myself. For myself, I might not do it. But for Julian or Rachel or other people that I love in my life, I will do it. So that's part of legacy. It's doing the right thing, not because it benefits you, but because it benefits those around you. It benefits your energy field. It benefits everybody. It's kind of like the law of karma, And so Legacy is, I just call it doing the right thing. When you're doing the right thing, you're leaving a legacy. You don't have to have a monument to leave a legacy. All you have to do is do the right thing, set the right example, and have others see it and emulate it in their life after you've moved on and you've left a legacy. That's better than any plaque on a park bench. That's a private joke between Rachel and I. Anyway, number 7, source. Source. Connecting to source energy every day. You see, the God force energy of the universe, the creative force that spoke the word and the universe leapt into existence, exists within you. Not a small portion of it, all of it. All of it. You cannot cut infinity in half. Because if I cut infinity in half, I still have infinity. So the truth of the matter is that when you're in connection, when you're in contemplation, when you're in prayer, when you're in meditation with source energy, you are unlocking all of the powers of the universe to help you with the life that you desire, the life that you choose to live, the journey that you're on, and those around you. So, attracting astonishing abundance. Abundance to me is not just money. It's all the good things in life. It's all the wonderful things in life. All of it. You can have it all. Have a great day. You absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.